Hi, my name's Steve Riley, and today we're going to be talking about the speed of movement for paddle. A bit different than tennis. If the ball passes you in tennis, you've lost, the ball's gone. So you have to be pretty quick. In paddle, if the ball passes you, it's coming back to you because there's glass behind you, so that's a great thing. So the main thing is, do not run quickly because there is only a short distance to go. You've got 10 meters to cover each side, court's 20 meters by 10, and you've only got 5 meters to cover on your side. And of course we're playing sides, not front and back. Front and back means both players front, both players back. If it's over your head, it's your side, it's your ball. Unless in an exceptional circumstance you are out of position completely and you shout to your opponent, yours, switch. Switch means you both switch sides, like in tennis, but paddle is not like tennis positioning. So, first thing would be, if I'm at the back of the court, my opponents are at the net, I've got the choice of hitting the ball past them, hitting a chiquita to the feet, or lobbing the ball. My choice generally is going to be a lob, especially if I'm in a difficult place. So if I've lobbed, I'm going to move forwards, but I only went 4 steps and it took me about 1.5 seconds. So you don't need to hit the ball and run like crazy. You can hit the ball and just move slowly, then get in a ready position. And look at my ready position. It's just in front of metal 2, metal 1, metal 2. I'm not running so far to the net like in tennis. So comparing a bit of paddle to tennis, a lot of tennis players do not like to volley. And my theory is the reason why. First reason, they're too close to the net. If you're too close to the net, you've got no time to react for the ball because there is no time. It's a short distance. If you're standing further back, you should be stepping into the ball anyway, so you don't need to be too close to the net. So the tips are here, don't run so fast to the net and don't get too close to the net. Next part, if I'm at the net, hopefully my partner is at the net too because we're working as a team. If the ball goes over my head, I've got lots of time. I didn't even need to run. I walked. A lob should be quite high. We'll just do that one again. The ball's quite deep. Lob. Do that again. My opponents hit over my head. I can go back slowly and lob it back. I'm not trying to run like crazy to the glass. I'm taking my time. Once I've lobbed, again, if I'm lobbing, I can go in quite slowly because if they're a good player, they're probably going to lob back. So it's a game of attrition. Lob, 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 lob. Whoever gets bored, whoever's going to change the momentum or the strategy of the point will generally lose the point. So if I've got a good lob and it's not so easy to return, then they're going to do a lob back. Somebody's lobbed me, I'm going back. Didn't like that. It should bounce first. So I'm here, I've done a volley, my opponents are back, the ball goes up. Do it again, went out. I'm at the net, my opponents have done a volley. That's right, I've done a volley to my opponents, they're lobbing me. I go back, do it again. I'm trying to make it perfect. I'm at the net, I've volleyed, my opponents are trying to get back to the net. They've lobbed me. Oh, I'm doing it too much. I'm at the net, I've volleyed, my opponent's lobbed me. Oh God. Not doing too good today. Now watch this, it's going to be perfect. I'm at the net, I've done a volley. My opponents want to lob me to get net position. It's over my head. Damn, that was too good. I'm at the net, I've volleyed. My opponents hit it. My opponents hit over my head. Oh God, that was all right. My opponents hit over my head. No good. My opponents hit over my head. My opponents hit over my head. I can go back slowly and lob it back.